Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video. Good morning, good evening, namaste. Whatever time it is you're watching this video, I wish you a wonderful good day and happy Easter. In this video, we want to talk about the biggest gainer here on crypto bubbles, Filecoin. But before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do me a big favor, go and smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I want to reach as soon as possible more than 300 subscribers. Thank you very much for yesterday. We broke through 200 subscribers yesterday. So thank you very much for this, guys and ladies. But our next target is 300 subscribers. So go and smash the subscribe button. But right now, let's dive straight into the content for today. So today we want to look at Filecoin. Filecoin is trading right now at slightly above $21. And let's look at TradingView. So here we are on one of the smaller time frames, the 4-hourly chart. So you can see what is happening here in the last couple of days and hours. So for right now, it pumped pretty good. So 15-16% to the top in the last 24 hours. And it's right now slightly above $21. So, but if you look here, you have some clear resistance above that is incoming in the next couple of dollars. Below, there's a lot of support that was created over the last weeks and month. So, but I want to show you a bigger picture. Where is Filecoin actually coming from? I have really to zoom out. So Filecoin has a pretty parabolic pump in March last year, so a year ago, and pumped nearly to $240. After that, you see a clear downtrend, then another try, but it just came to $120, and then boom, again a pretty hard dump. But as Filecoin started, look at this candle, came to $425-$30. So that is an amazing, incredible pump. So actually it started here from nearly nothing. $4,500%. Well, guys, ladies, I guess that is not easy that Filecoin will reach this region again. So, but how much Filecoin has to pump to come back to last year March price of $240? That is a 1000% pump. Well, everything is possible. It's crypto. So write me in the comments, what do you think? Can Filecoin reach again $240? A 1000% pump? Is this possible in your opinion? Write me in the comments. So if you look again here on the TA side, then you can see this here is a downtrend. So Filecoin has to break this downtrend. That is possible to see higher prices. If we do a Fibonacci retracement level here on the shorter time frame, from this high to this swing low, then the golden pocket would be exactly here at this level from the breakout, or if it's breakouts later, first the 0.5 Fibonacci level will come in at $23. Actually, the bullish price target would be here at the 786 Fibonacci level at $26 in this yellow box here. But it can happen again that if Filecoin cannot hold and stay above the EMA ribbons, because it's broke through the EMA ribbons, getting a rejection. If it cannot hold this level, actually at around $21 where it's trading right now, then it's likely that another retest from this level here at $18.26 will happen again. So this one should actually be support. This will not hold. The next support should be come in here at $16.69. Oh, 69. Write me in the comments what do you think about 69. Just kidding. So guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, as I told you, do me a big favor, subscribe to my channel. I want to reach as soon as possible, as fast as possible, 300 subscribers. Leave a thumbs up if you like these content and updates, TA on different altcoins and Bitcoin. And we see us in the next video. And as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. Peace out, guys and ladies, and happy Easter.